Hi and welcome. I am Chuchu Gurgel and I just received this set of 200 microfiber cloths for evaluation, but the opinions are my own. So these over here will arrive in 2 packages. Each one is going to have 100. And let me tell you, they are heavy because 100 of these microfibers rags in here. So let's go ahead and open this up. They're all compacted in here. This is 100 of them, you guys. All right, so this is how they look like. Now, these over here came in a color black, but you can also get them in gray, blue, or white. And you can also get them in a 200 pack or a 400 pack. These will be great for just general cleaning at your home, or if you clean a hotel, restaurants, all kinds of different places that you need to clean. These microfiber cloths will do the job. Now, they are also lint-free, quick absorbent, and they measure 12 by 12. So one side, which is this side over here, which is thicker, it's great for absorption. Now, this other side over here is great for scrubbing surfaces, for mirrors, for example, and they're also machine washable. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these to the test in my own home to show you guys exactly how they work. All right, let's put these rags to the test. Look at how dirty my mirror is. I'm going to spray a little bit of my glass solution here. And I am going to be using this side of the cloth. So come with me and let's clean together. Pretty good. And no lint being left behind. So I like that. Look at this right here. Oh, let's see if we can get it out. Oh yeah, look at that. So these work really good. All right. So look at that, no longer there. So these work really good on mirror, you guys. All right, so here's my dresser. It accumulates dust. I have some coffee rings over here going on. So let's go ahead and get that cleaned up. Works really nice on the surface too, and great for picking up dust as well. And look at how dusty this is. Just picking up dust. Look at that. Very good. And that's pretty much it for this set of 200 microfiber cleaning cloths. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.